levels. Levels. So I think once you have done that, you can now go to your Project North. Project North, perfect. Okay. Now that you have done that, you can now switch to Project North. Now, when you're working with levels, you have this marker here. And since we are working with our Project North, our marker is a little bit, right, slanting. So it's still following the true north orientation. So what do? Well, first you want to window select. Kindly remember that. Window select the elevation marker. Do not just select this and then move it. Okay? Window select it first and then drag it outside your property line. So I really don't want seeing this. I will drag this outside my property line. You can actually place it here. The building is going to be here. But what if I want to see my cars? So I'm going to drag it outside the property line. Now, remember we did a window select? Well, the reason for that is if you simply move this, right? I'll select this and move this. Okay, deselect. Notice what happened. This line here did not move with it, right? And what is this line? Anybody? What's this line here? Yeah, this is not just a view. That is a cutting plane. This cuts wherever this is. It cuts away views before it. It cuts away views before it. So anything behind this, like here, will not be seen. In fact, if you have a building and this one is in between that building, it will cut through the building. Very important. That's why that's a dangerous tool. You want to place it there. Because sometimes you're wondering, why is my building being cut? Well, maybe you left this somewhere. So don't leave this anywhere. Place it close to the elevation markers. If you do want a section line, create a section view right here. Okay. I don't recommend you use that for your section. Now, but why do we have this? Well, for example, you have a parking lot here, and then you don't want to see the cars. Well, then you can move this maybe somewhere here, and it starts the view from that point. So let me bring that back there. A dangerous tool. Now, this one is still slanting. So what you can do is you can click the box or the square. You'll see this rotate icon. Click, hold, drag, and a little bit downward. Pull it. And then it orients aligned or perpendicular to your elevation. So this is your north elevation. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing for the other three elevation markers. Okay, so over, highlight, window highlight, or window select. Okay, and then move this outside. For now, I highly recommend you click on the triangle to see or activate the cut plane or view plane. Okay, it went with it. So for now, maybe it's a good practice to check. Click on the box. Look for the rotate icon. Click, hold, and drag it down a little bit. It aligns it to the, or makes it perpendicular to the east elevation. Okay, let's do that a couple more times. I'm going to highlight, select this. move it, click on the triangle, it moved with it, the view line, and click on the box, look for the rotate icon, click, hold, and drag down, click outside, nice. If you don't do this, you'll notice that you will have difficulty looking at or finding the grids or levels in your elevation. So, Windows select. Now, does this have to be at the center? No, it could be anywhere here. Okay, Windows select. Oh, sorry, farther down. Further down. I think that's good. Not too far down. I think I can manage here. Sorry. Yeah, select the triangle. The view appears. Select the square. Click and drag the rotate icon a little bit down. Drag it down. It snaps and orients this to the proper south elevation view.